In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Squarespace website. If you want to enhance your website with engaging content, adding videos is a fantastic way to start. It can captivate your audience's attention, convey messages more effectively, and give your site a professional edge. Let's dive straight into the process. First, you'll need to access the Squarespace website editor. You'll start by logging into your Squarespace account and heading over to the website where you want to add your video. Look for the Edit option associated with your website to open up the Squarespace editor. The editor is where you can manage the layout of your pages, so it's a place you might want to become familiar with if you're not already. Once you're in the editor, look for the Add Block button, which is an essential tool for customizing your Squarespace site. Think of blocks as building pieces on your page that you can add, move, or adjust to suit your layout needs. Now search for the video option within the Add Block menu. Clicking on this will allow you to incorporate a video element into the desired section of your web page. This is the step where your website will transform from static to dynamic. When you click on the video option, a place for your video should appear on the page. Click on Edit to start configuring the details. It's here that you can begin to decide what content your video block will display. Next, you'll see the option to Add a video. This is pivotal because it's where you choose the content that will engage your audience. The subsequent decisions will impact the quality and effectiveness of your video content, so choose wisely. Now, you have two main choices: uploading a file directly from your device by selecting Upload File, or adding a video from an external source by clicking Add from Link. If your video is stored locally on your computer, select Upload File, browse for your video file, and upload it directly to your site. Alternatively, if you host your video on platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, Add from Link allows you to paste the video URL directly into Squarespace, ensuring that streaming services handle the playback seamlessly. Once your video is selected and linked, remember to finalize the process by clicking on Save. This step commits your changes and ensures that your video is visible to website visitors. And there we have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a video to your Squarespace website. This new addition will serve to enrich your site's content, engaging visitors and elevating their overall experience. As always, take a moment to check your final result on different devices to ensure that your video displays perfectly for all visitors. Thank you for joining today, and happy Squarespace editing.